Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Hello there. My name is Lou, and I am the Chief Ignoramus here at ignorantindustries.com. And I tell you, in my business, I do a lot of videos, sometimes short, sometimes a little longer, but I do a lot of video work, a lot of video editing. And generally, I'll tell you, I use Adobe Premiere Pro. Adobe Premiere Pro, the whole Adobe suite, costs me about $50 a month. It's not cheap, but it does some amazing stuff. But there's a steep learning curve to using Premiere Pro and especially Adobe After Effects. So what do I do when I want to do something quick, video-wise? Well, I have to start up this big program and use all these top-notch features and everything that, they use for big movies in Hollywood. But what if I want to just create a simple video? Well, I tell you, I found VidSpark. It comes out on May 16th. And the reason I'm telling you about it is because I believe in this program. Looking at what this can do and knowing what I do in Premiere Pro, this will do what you need to do. 99% of what you're ever going to do in video, you'll be able to do in VidSpark. And the great thing is it can be keyed and geared towards using it for online marketing and for selling products. So if you've got a Shopify store, if you've got products you want to sell, digital or physical, you can create videos right here in VidSpark are top notch. So let me give you an idea here what's going on. So here's VidSpark. It comes out on May 16th and at 10 a.m. All right. So what's this going to do for you here? There's a picture of it there. You're going to create, first of all, it's cloud-based. So you're not going to have to install a couple gigabytes on your hard drive, right? It is cloud-based, and we're going to take a look here at, there's a demo video here on the sales page. The sales page takes you through. What's awesome is it creates attention and grabbing professional videos in minutes. And I saw this as I played with it. I'll show you in just a minute. You can create better engagement. If you look at Facebook ads versus video ads versus still ads, Facebook video ads do so much better. Video ads are the way to go. Engagement increases significantly, allows you to build that relationship for people to know, trust, and like you and look at your offers. It is cloud-based. We already talked about that. It works in any niche. Very little tech. It says zero tech skills. I'd have to say there's some tech. Yeah, you have to understand how to use your browser and click, and so depending on what you mean by tech. But you're not learning how to use Premiere Pro. It is beginner-friendly, and it says here, veteran appreciated. Now, I'll agree with that because as a veteran of video editing, it was very understandable and very usable, and I was able to do the things I wanted to do. And here's the best thing. Like I said, I'm paying about $50 a month to use the Adobe suite. But with VidSpark, once you pay for it, you're done. You don't have to pay for it again. All right, so let's take a look inside VidSpark. All right, so here's where you come in. Here's your dashboard. And as it starts off, you'll see there, where do you start? You've got your three buttons you want to start from. You want to start from a product that you already have in mind. Do you want to start from a template, or do you just want to start from scratch and do your own thing? So let's look at the product. And this is where I think it really shines in the way it's designed. So I go here and boom, look at these options. I can grab where it's AliExpress. Again, this is big for drop shippers. If you're using Shopify, AliExpress, you put in here you put in your keywords that say you're looking for something, so for a piece of jewelry. So you go to maybe a necklace for your wife, right? You type in necklace and you learn how to spell, and you hit search, and it'll bring up, boom, look at all these necklaces here. Now, do you want to use a template or do you want to create it from scratch? So let's look at this. What is this? This dainty layered necklace, right? So we say, let's take it from a template. So then we go and pulls up our templates. Look at the number of templates. 3, 6, 9 to a page, and I'm looking at 12 pages of templates, right? So let's see here. What does this template do? Okay, so boom, boom, add your text here, right? Didn't have my audio on. There we go. And it shows you where you add your text. All your shopping information. You can put your price in here, right? You edit that video, and it takes you inside to the full editor. Look, there's the information that you just grabbed, the dainty layered necklace women's. You adjust your price there. You say, okay, well, 75 cents. We're going to change that price. And you adjust all those things here. Your call to action says buy now. And then when you're done, boom, export the video. You can give yourself a video title. And what's awesome is once you sorry, it's still building the video that I told it to. Once you export the video, then you see here in the My Videos section, the videos that you have created. And look at the buttons right there. You can share it to YouTube, share it on Facebook, share it on Twitter, share it on Pinterest. All those things are right there built in. You can preview your video. You can go back and make more edits to it. I tell you, it is so simple to use. So here on the left side, you create your video from a product, from your template, or from scratch. So if you have no idea what you're doing, start with the product. If you're kind of moving a direction template, and you're not limited to just selling stuff with this, you can, with products, you can sell any of your services as well. You can make quick videos that'll attract people's attention, that'll create interest and excitement, and send people to your links. And even if you're not, you can do all kinds of stuff with this. You can do personal videos, you can do family videos, anything, because you can upload into the system. You can upload your images, you can upload your own videos, you can save them to GIF images. Yes, I say GIF, don't hate me. All these are built into VidSpark for a pretty low price. I was actually impressed. Let's take a look at the pricing here. All right, so VidSpark, $32. $32, and you'll get a complete system. So what is it? Again, it's cloud-based. It allows you to create traffic and sales, and those ads can be used for social media, websites, anything within minutes. And the other great thing is, okay, so one of the problems with Premiere Pro is it is so massive and epic and hard to learn. But when you're done and you've got all your pieces in place and you hit save, it has to do something called render. And what that means is it takes all the pieces you put together and merges them into one video file. Rendering can take hours and hours, depending on the size of your video, the complexity of the video, and the resolution of the video, the length of the video as well. So the other thing is that does is it ties up your computer. So when I hit render, I go to bed or I go to lunch or something, because it can take hours to render one of my videos. But not with VidSpark. VidSpark renders on their servers, on their computers. So you hit render, and then you can go do something else on your computer. You don't have to go out of the house and go for a drive. You can render on their systems, and then when it's done, you can then do all the work you want with your video. So that's one of the great things about being cloud-based. VidSpark Premium for $32, you get the commercial license, allows you to sell your videos to your clients right there. You can make that money like that. Allows you to do unlimited renders per month. You're not limited in how many videos you can create. You get 50 templates that are ready to use. Now you saw when I showed you there's more than 100. Well, we'll get to that in a minute. You get builder access. It's a drag and drop builder. I didn't show you that feature, but basically you get the images, and it comes with a ton of images. You can drag them and throw them in. You can access all of the e-com sites. We showed you that with Amazon. It's Walmart, AliExpress, or all kinds of places you can access there. You can import your own music and then download the videos as MP4. But if you do this upgrade, the upsell they call it, and I think it's well worth it, for $47, you get 200 video templates. You get access to those high-quality animated characters I mentioned you can do the drag and dropping with. You get other sales, so it gives you tons of content to use with this. You get not 50, but 100 music libraries to upgrade to. So I tell you, that first upsell, well worth it. So you're still under $100 permanent. You don't pay again. There's no monthly fees. You don't have to pay per render. You've got it whole. The whole thing is there for you to use. The next one allows you to then, the next upgrade allows you to pay to sell it yourself. Sell it as if it's your own program. Also, then after that, you get more features in third upsells that allow you to add surveys and stories and polls to add to your sales. So all these things are part of the VidSpark program. Now, the VidSpark, where'd it go here? So this is the front. This is the front sales page here. This talks about the 3 easy steps, right? You pick one of the templates, you point and click, edit, create your videos with drag and drop ease, and then you export your videos. It's just that easy. I'm going to tell you, on the 1 to 5 scale of ignorant industries, I give this a 5. Perfect, easy to use, rendering off-site. You can't beat the price. As far as value, top of the line. I highly recommend this, and I will be using this on a regular basis because sometimes I don't want to have to start up Premiere Pro. I just want to get a video quick, done, bada bing, bada boom, and it's out the door. This will allow me to do that. VidSpark, highly recommend. Take a look at it. Click on the link below, and you'll be able to get it. As a matter of fact, I'm so excited about this. I want to include some bonuses that if you purchase through my link, you can grab these bonuses. The first one here is how to make a squeeze page. So once you created this video, you need to send them somewhere. And that's called in the business a squeeze page, a place where people will then give you their information, learn about the product, and move on from there. So this is a tutorial to teach you how to make a squeeze page. Second thing I'm going to give you is, oh, my pages are disappearing here, is the next thing is a tutorial on how to send traffic to your offer. So you create these great videos, you create this great squeeze page. How do you get people to come to it? So here's an idea on how to use blogging and other traffic sources to send people to your offer that are qualified, that are interested to make your purchase. And finally, because you're doing a lot of stuff on video, why not learn to explode your YouTube channel? So Brendan Mace has grown his channel to over 37,000 subscribers. As a matter of fact, I think that's over 40,000 now. And it'll help you learn how to discover the way to build a YouTube channel fast. Use keywords and how to rank on your videos. So those 3 bonuses are included if you purchase through my link, which is on that button below. Click on that button, and I hope to see you on the inside at VidSpark. Don't forget, May 16th goes on sale. Talk to you then. Bye now.